Ghana for Odi Ufidi no Ato. The Uncensored Show. I really welcome you to my YouTube channel. Please, before you continue, okay, please just do me the favor, okay, by hitting the notification bell, and do not forget to hit the subscribe button. So there be anytime I'll share updates on this channel, you will get wind of it, and then also get informed, because clearly what I put on my channel, okay, the Uncensored Gist Breaker, it is to keep you informed, okay, and also share some of my perspectives, okay. Now, Asama Ekoso Social, which is most talked about across all social media, traditional media platforms, and even in-person interactions by people. Everybody is talking about Richard Nii Armah Quaye, the Chief Executive and founder of Bill's Microcredit. Bill's Microcredit, formerly it was Quick Credit. Maybe down someone. Okay, now Quick Credit, maybe, it's not even maybe. You can see Quick Credit is one of the very popular savings and loans institution inside Dan Suman. Now, it all started from this man, Richard Nii Armah Quaye. Quick Credit, or the financial service institution, that business aspect of his entrepreneurship life, is just the very minute, or one of the things he does. He has a conglomerate of businesses, a host of them, a plethora of businesses he runs or the Yenisika. So what he has here. Now, I want you to understand, say, Ghana, you pull him down, crowded.
Now, Gofi, and now no near say, birthday man be Ukruma. Birthday man be. What would birthday send me? Now, I no pay me sorry, and I mean, signal. Say, you're freezing accounts in you. I no pay me sorry, me signal. Say, you're freezing accounts in you. After birthday, no.
Where do you account, sorry?
Gobi, na na signal and say, Cherem say, say, Dino Kurani at the end, a dim besashe baby. And no, we say, ya, did Jessica for baby niani. Na ye investigations, Kakrabi diha. Nipano din the munim did that. Baby is some near. But ye busase Romeo Richard Armah Quaye seshi. And the date of birth year, a year 5th February 1984. A year 1 year. Romeo Richard Armah Quaye seshi. The birthday a year 5th February 1984. A year 1 year. Now in the bank account to say now what the year day and the Bank of Ghana send the signals man by your managers of the bank say birthday man be ukruma ye freezing accounts na state ni ba hwem you go so yes and hwem
more fire
we authentic information of the man and can you made it to one opano na ye nya more information say wo munim so birthday man no the kwan say ni say na wo fa so nya sika and San Omoka. Na state agencies in the be freezing accounts. No matter inflow of cash. Dear Banner, dear Kunina. No matter why.
This man deserves all the plaudits for being an inspiration to the youth. He gave himself away by showing how affluent he is. You see, sometimes I have never been a wealthy man before. I'm in the process of being a wealthy man. Oh no, baby, we do in this life, we will seek a status. A status-driven agenda. He wants a certain kind of recognition. Society must recognize him. Listen, he has over 10,000 people working, and he has employed all these people. And because of him, all these people, can put food on their table. Because of him, a lot of families are sorted. Because of him, a lot of kids and children are receiving good health care and all that, because their parents are really providing for them because of this generous man. This generous man is a very, very influential person he's a philanthropist. If you don't know, I can also say he's a humanitarian. Clearly, Sikana he spent, the Sikana or say when on the birthday party, no, is just 1/10, and I say it is the least cry. So uchichemu, Sikano, it won't even hurt a fly in his world. Yes, the least cry of his investment, and I say the list of what he has spent in the Bugatti in quite say the Bugatti near 4 million. Private jet not toy, you know, saying Gulfstream, saying $25 million. So 200,000, then no the marry or the mass stone board it doesn't go in, it doesn't go far, it doesn't go anywhere. So what he say? So this man has put himself in the spotlight. Now, institutions like Ghana Revenue Authority, Intelligence Center will now be looking in his direction. And no, but the information going out say GRA has clamped down his account. Say they've locked up his account, frozen his account. It is not true. They themselves have come out to say it is not true. They have not frozen his account. Nemo FIC, and they are looking into his assets and all that. GRA, you know, all they want from him is that he will come and declare his assets. He will come and then pay his taxes. And the taxes they pay. Or no, they don't want anything from him. Say, come and pay your taxes. Because looking at what he did, you know, they realize that this man has been making a lot of money. Let us go and check his records. The past 10 years, the past 5 years. Has he paid certain amount or any amount, an amount of money representing percentage or representing his tax? Do you understand? As a businessman, as a citizen of Ghana, is this man paying his tax? So they would just want him to come and pay his taxes. Ghana Revenue Authority, it is not an investigative institution where they investigate how much people make. Theirs is to make sure that whatever you are making, you know, you at the end of the month or at the end of a certain period, you are making your tax payments. You are paying your tax and being a responsible and law-abiding Ghanaian. That is all they are expecting from you as a businessman, as a Ghana, plying your trade here in the Republic. That is all. So the report said the GRA, Ghana Revenue Authority, has locked up the account. You know, it is false. It is not true. Please let us be guided. Let us be guided. This man, now he has become a center of attention now. Anywhere you go, Biano, people would want to be in his favor. People would want him to do 1 or 2 things for them. And it is okay, it is normal. It is very, very, very normal. I saw a video of where he was announcing to his employees at Bill's Microcredit of his intentions, of his plans to double their salary for a particular month. It looked as if they were celebrating an anniversary of a sort. Owie Noka said he was going to increase their salary by 20%. That is something very, very remarkable. And Oshe, the number of employees and the staff now across the country, they came to fill the conference center over 3,000 plus. It is no joke.
In view of this, I have taken a decision with the board to reward you all. Like I was saying, in view of your efforts, I have taken a decision with the board to reward you all with 100% bonus. A decision to increase the salaries of yes, guys. Everyone in this company will have his salary increased by 20%. Success does not come to anyone by accident.
How would you even be able to maintain a 10 staff employee, a 10 member staff employee? It's not easy to even maintain a 10 member staff employee. Well, you have to be dealing with paying each and everybody maybe 2,000, 3,000, 1,500 monthly. This man has close to 10,000 employees. This is no joke. So this man has to be guarded at all costs. He has given himself away for public probity, for probity into his life, for scrutiny. I mean, who say Imani Africa CEO and frankly Kujo say a lot of people, there must be lifestyle audit of a lot of people, especially Ghanaians here. I might agree with that, but is it because this man just came to show off? This man has had a lot of money, but perhaps a lot of people have not been looking in his direction. I mean, you don't know whether he has any plans of veering into politics in the future. But with the wealth he has, no, he can do a lot in the future. We just hope that SM Mbahun, because you've seen Nam1. We've seen Kofi Amwaboye of UT Bank from I will not say from grace to grass, but Kofi Amwaboye of UT Bank is not the same Kofi Amwaboye we used to know. Things have changed in his life, and it's partly because of government interventions, some negative government interventions, very negative government interventions by the MPP. A lot of banks have folded up. A lot of businesses have crunched. A lot of businesses have been plunged into debt and destruction and ruins. There's nothing left for them again. So for Richard Nii Armah Quaye, a businessman who clearly has impacted a lot of lives and has inspired this generation, we want to do more than what he has done. There's another Richard Nii Armah Quaye there that perhaps you might not know, and clearly this is just the beginning for him. And I'm sure there are other things he's about to do. Ghanaians, we should just brace ourselves for yet another experience. Shout out to everybody who pulled out that spectacular structure for the program. The setup, so we want to commend everybody who played a role in the setup for the Richard Nii Armah Quaye's birthday. Please do not forget to hit the subscribe button, the notification bell, so share your thoughts, like this video, and I'll see you again in the next one.